Ngayong araw ay may susubukan kami ni Chanel na panibagong sport. Tama, ito ang kayaking. Kaya tara guys, samahan nyo kami kung ano ba ang pakiramdam na magkayak dito sa island ng Koh Kood dito sa Thailand. Tara na! Wala, we are here. See? This. What's this? It's a plastic bag. Really? Yeah. My love, that's the toilet. Can you go there? It's clean.
Yeah, I just want to change.
This is your toilet, my love. Can you go toilet here?
Come with me, please.
Wow. Come with you, huh?
There's the light. Put
No,
on the
madam.
light. On the light.
Wait, my love. I'm looking for the light.
Okay, you're gonna have to hold this for me.
Guys, before going to the kayak, Chanel, before going to the kayak, Chanel needs to change. This is what the husband is doing. Oh,
Turn around.
I have all the things here. Guys are so very simple, you know. We can just go kayaking there. You can just wear this and go, right? Are you ready, baby loves? Umagang umaga pa lang ay pinuntahan na namin ni Chanel yung spot kung saan pwedeng mag-rent ng kayak. Guys, napakaganda dito at napakatahimik ng lugar. At ang hangin napaka-presko, malayong malayo talaga yung hangin dito kumpara sa Bangkok. Okay. This is where my big ass.
More.
Oh, yeah, because I'm heavy. Excited kami pareho dahil ito ang first time namin na susubukan namin magkayak pareho. Dito pa sa Koh Kood, ang paboritong island ni Chanel. Oh, together. Okay, I think the camera, I should hide the camera. Ganito pala ang pakiramdam na nagsasagwan. Ngayon ay pareho kayo nagsasagwan para hindi kayo tumaob. Kasi pag tumaob kayo ay talaga naman lahat ng gamit mo. Dala ko rin ang aking camera at ang aming mga pasaporte. Kaling tumaob kami dito ay basa lahat ng aming mga gamit. Wow, look at these mangroves. This is mangroves, like mango.
But are you really taking a video
Yeah.
for me?
Is there a crocodile here, darling? Ang ganda dito, grabe. I'm gonna turn the boat. Huh? Maybe there's a crocodile here. Yeah. So good. Oh wow, you're a professional, my love. You're so fast. But not so fast, huh? It's scaring me. Ako takot.
My bag is
No.
Let's take him.
Ako ay nagsasagwan, ako makitang crocodile. Sagwan, sagwan. Yeah. Wow. So relaxing. It's my first time with this beautiful girl in the world. Maybe we should make away-away here, my love. We should fight here. Because if we fight here, we don't have a choice. It's a workout, you know?
I know. Like shoulders and
workout.
arms.
This is the kayak with shoulder workout and back workout. Yeah. Yeah.
Galing mo pare. Galing mo pare. Woohoo! Pare, pare.
200 baht pala ang renta ng kayak dito. Good for 3 hours na siya. I-compare mo siya sa peso natin, mga nasa 280 pesos siguro siya. 'Di ba? Sulit na sulit, talagang magi-enjoy ka at napakasarap pa ng hangin dito.
Dahan-dahan po.
Pero syempre, kailangan mo magsagwan at tiisin yung init ng araw. Kaya bago kami pumunta ni Chanel dito ay nagbaon kami ng maraming tubig at uminom na kami ng tubig at kumain na rin kami ng breakfast at syempre at ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ay naglagay kami ng sunblock sa aming mga katawan para hindi kami masunog at para hindi kami matusta ni Chanel o maging barbecue pagkatapos namin magkayak. Buwana! Yeah. Paikot-ikot pala ang trail na ito at habang dahan-dahan kami nagsasagwan, biglang lumitaw sa aming harapan ng isang beach. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, I'm gonna help
It's okay.
you.
This is my pirate. It's not stuck. Yeah, I'm gonna pull it.
Sige together.
Not together, my love. It's only one. Go, just move, my love. Ay, nako po. Mahal ko. Tawa ko. So guys, this is Little Red Riding Hood reporting. We are on a island, on the middle of the island. Our kayak is there. We left our kayak there. And now we stop here from our kayak tour. Look, it's like Pirates of the Caribbean, guys. Wow. Huh?
Wow.
Wow. That's quite interesting. Oh, wow. Sa halip na bumalik agad ay nagdesisyon kami na mag-stay at libutin pa ang mga mangrove. Tahimik dito, presko ang hangin, walang masyadong tao. Tila ba kalikasan lang at kami. Guys, we are looking for a crocodile here. Oh guys, no! Oh no! Oh no! Crocodile Dundee. Oh guys, there's a crocodile here. I don't know if there's a crocodile, but if there's somewhere a crocodile here, guys. Guys. Oh no! Mahal ko, we are very near. Oh no! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Hello? Malabis echoing. Ang pogi ko!
Other people there. Will you have like some
Hello? Hi! Okay, malab. No, you are beautiful. Malab. It's quite dangerous doing kayaking here.
No, it's not.
Really?
I love you such an example.
I cannot take video on my wife. We are now going home.
Bring water. Now I have a headache.
Yeah, me too, malab. I'm sorry.
Every day we're telling ourselves.
Yeah, we left our water at the motorbike.
We are dehydrated.
Yeah.
Dehydration.
It's an unexpected journey here on the kayak. But are you happy? How will you rate on this tour? Or how will you rate on this kayak that we did now?
100%.
100%. Are you?
Stars.
Huh?
10 stars.
10 star on Grab? We can use this as Grab, you know? Oh, there are friendlies who's looking for a crocodile as well, guys.
Alright.
Ito yung mga bagay na matagal na namin gustong gawin ni Chanel. Simpleng adventures na magkasawa. Away from the noise, just us and nature. Alam nyo ba, noong hindi pa kami magkakilala ni Chanel, pareho pala kaming may pangarap na ganito. Yung magkayak, mag-explore ng nature. Pero somehow, hindi namin magawa. Kasi nga, wala pa yung tamang taong sasamahan ka sa ganitong moments. Tapos ngayon, ito kami. Parang movie lang, but it's really real. At mas masarap pala sa feeling pag may kasama ka. Same kayo ng hilig, kayo ng mga pangarap. Napakasarap talaga sa pakiramdam, guys. Alam mo, dadating talaga ang tamang tao sa tamang panahon. Ganyan magbigay si God. Di agad, pero laging sakto. Pag dumating na, mararamdaman mong worth it pala ang paghihintay mo. Kinabukasan, naghanda na kami para umuwi pabalik sa Bangkok. Tapos na ang holiday at kailangan na rin bumalik sa trabaho. Kung kami tumuloy sa pier ay dumaan muna kami sa isang cafe. Bumili ako ng coffee at si Chanel naman ay bumili ng kanyang paboritong tea.
Anyway, it's a new year. And this is my only indulgence that I can get.
Indulgence? What's that indulgence? Masarap ang pagkain dito, lalo na yung cake nila na paborito ni Chanel. Chocolate cake na parang Goldilocks. Only one dead fish.
Really?
Oo nga pala, tinamaan si Chanel ang allergy niya.
I don't know.
Baka nasobrahan lang talaga siya sa araw. Pero okay naman siya pagkatapos. At syempre, in-enjoy namin ang mga huling-huling sandali namin sa islang ito. Talagang babalik kami pag dumating na yung araw na wala ulit kaming pasok. Bitin man pero ang daming baon na memories dito guys. Isa na naman tong experience na hindi namin malilimutan kailanman. At siguradong sigurado kami na babalik kami sa islang ito, ang isla ng Cocoon. Okay guys, so we're just here at the fair and then I think our vlog will finish here. So see you on our next vlog guys. This is the ending of our journey.